It is 8:03 a.m. Monday morning, October 16th, 2023. We're aboard Via Rail train number 770, which operates from Windsor, Ontario to Toronto Union Station. We're making our stop at London, Ontario. We were due to arrive here at 7:30 a.m., depart 7:40 a.m., but we departed Windsor, Ontario at 7:51 a.m. instead of the scheduled 7:40 a.m. departure because our locomotive engineer had to get his paperwork in order. We have one General Electric P42DC diesel electric locomotive, two Bombardier LRC lightweight rapid comfortable business class cars, and 7 Bombardier LRC coaches, including this one. Departing Windsor, we had about 50 passengers aboard. We're now on Canadian National Railway's Dundas Subdivision, Dundas. Eyeball London, Ontario at 8:05 a.m. That black building we just passed used to be a Canadian National Railway office building, perhaps a division headquarters office. Rather gray day here in London, Ontario, Canada.
Your attention, please. We'd like to welcome all those passengers that just joined us at London Station. Welcome aboard train number 70 en route to Toronto's Union Station, making stops at Ingersoll, Woodstock, Brantford, Aldershot, Oakville, and finally Toronto. We are currently leaving London Station with approximately 26 minutes behind schedule. This is due to some operational delays leaving Windsor Station and some slow speed restrictions today. We do apologize for this inconvenience and thank you all for your understanding. We're now expected to arrive into Ingersoll for 8:26, Woodstock 8:39, Brantford 9:15, Aldershot 9:54, Oakville 10:09, and finally Toronto's Union Station for 10:36. For those passengers that just joined us in London, please have your boarding passes ready for validation. We thank you and have a great trip.
As our
Nous souhaitons la bienvenue aux passagers qui viennent de nous rejoindre à la gare de London. Bienvenue à bord du train numéro 66 à destination de Toronto, la gare Union. Il s'arrêtera également à Ingersoll, Woodstock, Brantford, Aldershot, Oakville et finalement Toronto. Présentement, nous quittons la gare de London avec environ 26 minutes de retard sur notre trajet. Ceci est à cause d'un départ tardif de la gare de Windsor et aussi car on doit faire des vitesses réduites aujourd'hui sur notre trajet. Donc, nous nous excusons de ce délai. Nous vous remercions tous de votre compréhension. Avec notre délai, nous sommes prévus d'arriver à la gare d'Ingersoll pour 8h26, Woodstock 8h39, Brantford 9h15, Aldershot 9h54, Oakville 10h09 et finalement la gare Union de Toronto pour 10h36. Si vous venez de nous rejoindre à la gare de London, s'il vous plaît, préparez votre carte d'embarquement pour le contrôle. Merci, bon voyage.
As our conductor just announced, the next stop is Ingersoll, Ontario. When I worked for Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, the headquarters in Macoke, Illinois. We had a sister plant here, Diesel Division, General Motors Canada Limited, building diesel electric locomotives with components coming from Macoke LaGrange. And so I had to come up here rather frequently to give tours of the plant for my overseas railroad locomotive customers. The plant has been closed. I believe it's been replaced by a warehouse. The line that just went off is the CN line to Toronto via Kitchener, Ontario. CN has a small freight yard here, which we already passed, but it's on the other side of this main track. On the right side, not this left side. Take a quick walk through this Bombardier LRC coach. Now 8:16 a.m. Monday morning, October 16th, 2023, aboard Via Rail Train 70, heading from Windsor, Ontario to Toronto Union Station, now east of London, Ontario, over and out.